what's that, princess?
I see fish.
What's that, princess?
I see fish. I see fish.
Little aquarium. Little aquarium, princess?
Yeah.
Who give it to you, princess?
Ate Amy.
Ate Iming, your friend? Oh, mayroon na daw sila little aquarium.
I see fish ha. Ayun, ikaw na sa iling.
Little aquarium na daw sila. O, tingnan natin ang fish. Wow. Kabuhay pa kaya ito? May aquarium kayo, May?
Dapat ikaw na mo.
May aquarium kayo?
Hindi. Nami danhan fish.
Sa aquarium?
Ito, sa balay. Hindi.
Friend ni Princess, nagbigay nitong
Dapat na.
Oh, no!
Ayusin.
Don't blow it na. Wag ito. Wag mo i-blow
Hindi
yan.
naman na, cake. Ayusin ba? Ayaw.
Hindi yan cake. Hindi yan cake. Princess, what is this, Princess?
David.
Princess, what is that?
Ayusin.
Princess, what is this? What is that, Princess?
Fish.
Cute baby fish?
Mama. Si Mama fish. Mama fish. Awag. Mama. Lulu. Papa. Mama. Papa. Baby fish.
May lulu papa daw ni isda. Baby fish. How about this one? The mother?
Ito, baby.
Mother?
Ala, baby fish.
Baby fish.
Para manisab dagat.
Visit ko.
Ayusin. Ayusin.
Ay, hindi na siya cake.
Kasi no cake. Say ang na-cake. Blow. Ikaw blow.
No. Oh, ang little aquarium ni Princess. Cute kaayo.
Kaya tayo amo. Laway. Nami fish. Hindi tayo. Ay, ayaw. Ayusin ha. Itadon ka ba?